Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best router tool with Edge Guide Woodworking, the router template and jig for woodworking by BOXOB. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a serious DIYer looking for clean, consistent, and professional quality edge finishes, this is the precision tool you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. This isn't your average plastic jig. Made entirely from premium aluminum alloy, the BOXOB corner radius guide set is built to last. It's heat-resistant, wear-resistant, and sturdy enough to handle heavy use in any workshop. You'll feel the quality the moment you pick it up. It's got that solid, no-nonsense durability that craftsmen respect. What really sets this router jig apart is the complete radius guide set it includes. Whether you're routing the corners of furniture, cabinetry, picture frames, or custom DIY projects, you've got the perfect radius every time. Now, let's talk about precision. Each template is laser engraved with its size, so there's no guessing involved. Just align your template, clamp it to your workpiece, and go. The accuracy this tool delivers ensures that all your corners are smooth, uniform, and professional looking. No more uneven cuts or the frustration of sanding down imperfections. Just clean, crisp edges every time. Installation and usage are refreshingly straightforward. You simply place the desired corner guide on your wooden board, secure it in place using the pre-drilled holes or clamps, and follow along with your router bit. The design includes an edge guide that helps keep your router in check, ensuring perfect alignment as you work your way around each curve. Whether you're a beginner aiming for accuracy or a professional looking to save time without sacrificing quality, this tool is going to elevate your woodworking game. It's a game changer for repeatable results, especially if you're producing multiple pieces that need identical edge profiles. Another great feature is portability. The set is compact, easy to store, and fits neatly into any tool chest or shelf space. And because it's aluminum, it's lightweight without compromising structural integrity. And because it's metal, you can rely on it for years without worrying about wear or warping, which often happens with cheaper plastic alternatives. In a world where quality tools make all the difference, the BOXOB router template and jig stands out. It's built for creators who care about precision, who take pride in their craftsmanship, and who want tools that work as hard as they do. So if you're ready to bring your woodworking projects to the next level with consistent, flawless edge routing, check out the BOXOB router template and jig. It's available now on Amazon, and it ships internationally, including to India. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best tools and gear on the market. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and stay precise.